Welcome to Best Choice. The best Brainwavz Earpads is probably one of the most underrated upgrades you can make to your headphones. If you're tired of uncomfortable ear cups or the sound quality just isn't what it used to be, then stick around. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of Brainwavz Earpads, exploring their different materials, designs, and how they can transform your listening experience. We'll cover everything from improved comfort to enhanced audio performance, so you can make an informed decision. Number 5. Brainwavz Replacement Earpads for various headphones. Brainwavz has been creating high-quality earpads since 2008. These earpads are designed to be better and more comfortable than the originals. These replacement ear pads are designed for comfort and are suitable for many oval headphones, including the ADHM50X. Check the list of compatible models to see if it fits yours. Enjoy comfort with these Brainwavz ear cushions. They fit comfortably on your ear without distorting the sound. You can savor the notes with clarity and comfort. Made of superior-grade memory foam, this set insulates your ears for the purest sound. These earpads outperform standard earpads and other replacements. These earpads are suitable for a wide range of headphones, including Audio-Technica, AKG, Shure, and many more. Check the list to see if your model is compatible. What we like. These earpads are designed to fit a wide range of headphones, ensuring a perfect fit for your favorite models. They are made with memory foam, providing exceptional comfort for extended listening sessions. Moreover, they offer superior sound isolation, blocking out external noise. If you have multiple headphones or are looking for a universal upgrade, you should consider these. What people say. They go around my ear, making the entire pad a contact surface, not creating a pressure point. There is no pressure on any part of my ear. The memory foam feels good, the pleather is high quality and soft. Increased sound stage. Drivers are further from your ear. Number 4. Brainwavz Earpads for Sony MDR7506, V6 and CD900ST. These replacement ear pads are designed for comfort, specifically for Sony MDR7506, MDR-V6, and MDR-CD900ST headphones. They might also work with other on-ear headphones with similar dimensions. Enjoy ultimate comfort with these Brainwavz ear cushions. They fit perfectly on your ears without affecting the sound quality. You can savor every note with clarity and comfort. Engineered for amazing sound quality, these earpads use high-quality memory foam and protein PU leather. You can expect to be impressed by the enhanced audio experience. Constructed with superior-grade memory foam, this ear pad set perfectly insulates your ears, ensuring only the purest sound reaches you. They outperform standard earpads and other replacements. Exceptional craftsmanship and materials went into each set of Brainwavz headphone ear covers. You'll enjoy them for years, no matter how much you use them. What we like. Specifically designed for Sony headphones, these earpads offer a tailored fit and enhanced audio experience. They are crafted from high-quality memory foam and protein PU leather, ensuring both comfort and improved sound quality. Built to last, they can withstand heavy use. If you are a Sony headphone user seeking a durable and comfortable upgrade, you should choose these. What people say. The ear pads are very comfortable. The ear pads are a perfect fit. The ear pads improve the sound quality. Number 3. Brainwavz XL Memory Foam Earpads. Introducing the Brainwavz XL Memory Foam Earpads. These earpads are designed to enhance your audio experience. They are compatible with many over-ear headphones. Made with high-quality memory foam, they provide exceptional comfort. You'll enjoy long listening sessions without any discomfort. These earpads are designed for both comfort and style. They can add value to your headphones and might even look better than the original earpads. These earpads are built to last. They are meticulously checked before being packed, ensuring a high-quality product. These earpads offer better quality than most stock earpads. They are a great upgrade for your high-end headphones. What we like. These XL earpads are designed for larger over-ear headphones, providing a more comfortable fit. They are made with high-quality memory foam for enhanced comfort during long listening sessions. They are also designed to add value to your headphones and look better than the stock earpads. If you are looking for maximum comfort and a stylish upgrade, you should consider them. What people say. The ear pads are very comfortable. The ear pads are a perfect fit. They are a great replacement for the original ear pads. Number 2. Brainwavz Hybrid Memory Foam Earpads. These replacement earpads are made with high-quality memory foam. They are designed for comfort and superior sound isolation. You'll immediately notice the difference. These earpads are suitable for a wide range of oval headphones, including popular models from brands like Audio-Technica and AKG. Check the list to see if it fits your headphones. Constructed with premium memory foam, this set provides excellent sound insulation. It ensures that you hear only the purest sound. It will outperform your standard earpads. Enjoy hours of listening comfort with these replacement ear cushions. They fit comfortably on your ears without distorting the sound. You'll savor every note with clarity. These earpads are suitable for many models, including Audio-Technica, AKG, Shure, and more. Check the full list of compatible models to see if it fits your headphones. What we like. These earpads feature a hybrid design, combining the benefits of memory foam for comfort and sound isolation. They are designed to fit a wide range of over-ear headphones. They offer superior sound isolation, blocking out external noise. If you are looking for a balance of comfort and sound quality, you should consider these. What people say. The ear pads are very comfortable. The sound quality is improved. They fit perfectly on my headphones. Number 1. Brainwavz Micro Suede Ear Pads. Tired of worn-out ear pads? These replacement ear pads are designed to fit many over-the-ear headphone models. They will revitalize your listening experience. These Brainwavz ear cushions are made for comfort. They fit snugly around your ears without compromising sound quality. You'll enjoy hours of listening pleasure. Made with high-quality memory foam and ultra-soft micro suede, these ear pads are built to impress. The materials enhance both comfort and sound quality. The memory foam construction provides excellent sound isolation. It blocks out external noise, allowing you to focus on the music. This ensures a pure audio experience. These ear pads are compatible with a wide range of headphones. They work with brands like Audio-Technica, AKG, and many more. Check the list to see if they fit your headphones. What we like. These earpads are made with soft velour and memory foam, providing a luxurious and comfortable listening experience. They are designed to fit a wide range of over-ear headphones. They are engineered for amazing sound quality. If you are looking for a premium feel and enhanced audio, you should consider them. What people say. These Brainwavz hybrids, black PU velour, give my ears room to breathe. Since these are much thicker pads than the stock M50 pads, they push the drivers much further away from your ear. These have really good seal, an attribute typically of pleather leather pads, and very little sound leak. Also, these have a lot better noise cancellation, which I really love. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.